So hello everyone, this season we are experiencing a rise in cases of adenoviral conjunctivitis. It's also called as follicular epidemic keratoconjunctivitis. So how does this present? We have patients, especially young children and young adults and sometimes whole families coming in with lid edema, swollen eyes and watery discharge. So how does it spread? It's mainly because of droplet infection, hand-to-hand transmission, and it spreads from swimming pools. So a person who is infected tends to spread this to everyone in their home. It could also be because of use of contaminated objects at home or in nosocomial infections, which is hospital acquired infections, or basically because of droplet and airborne infection. So what are the presenting signs and symptoms? So normally the patient comes to us with what is called as a pink eye. The white part of the eye, which is called as a conjunctiva, it is inflamed, leading to what is called as conjunctival hyperemia. And there can be red swollen eyelids. There can be a watery discharge. And sometimes because of bacterial infection, we can have mucopurulent discharge. So the child or the adult on waking up, there can be matting of the lashes and lot of discharge, and there will be discomfort, falling fever and cold. So what is the treatment for this? First of all and foremost is basic lid hygiene. So you take a cup of warm water, dip in a cotton bud in it, a cotton swab, and clean your eyes, each eye separately, and make sure not to share your personal belongings with anyone at home, your towels, your toiletries, and should not share it with anyone at home. Make sure to wash your hands frequently. This prevents the spread of infection from person to person. Avoid swimming pool areas, avoid wearing contact lenses. Just no self-medication is advised. Your ophthalmologist will assess you, check to what extent the damage is being done, and prescribe medicines according to it. So we prescribe normally corticosteroid and antibiotic based drops along with copious use of lubricants. So please make sure to maintain good lid hygiene, wash your hands frequently. This itself will prevent the spread of infection to the rest of your family members, and any signs of redness, discharge, matting of the lashes, lid edema, make sure to meet your ophthalmologist or an eye surgeon nearby as soon as possible. Thank you very much and stay safe.